Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Hinge algorithm to get a lot more matches. Stick around until the end for a key tip you don't want to miss. Hinge doesn't have a reset button, but you can refresh your profile to boost visibility. First, you can delete and recreate your account. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Delete Account. Wait a few minutes, then sign up again with a new email or phone number. Note, this wipes your matches, chats, and profile, so be sure you're okay with that. Another way is to refresh your existing profile. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, and pause your account. Leave it paused for 24 to 48 hours. Then, unpause and update your profile. Swap out 2 or 3 photos for fresh ones. Rewrite your prompts to be more engaging or fun, and update your job, school, or location details. Unique tip: when updating prompts, answer with specific stories or quirky details about yourself. It sparks better conversations and helps the algorithm match you with compatible people. If it's not working, try these. Ensure your new photos are high quality and well lit to attract more likes. If matches don't increase, double-check your profile is unpaused. If you're still stuck, contact Hinge support through the app's help section. That's it, guys.